So hey everybody, what's going on? My name is Terry. Welcome back to the channel. Hope you all are doing well. And you know, I would just like to go one day without waking up and looking on my timeline on Twitter and seeing just absolutely stupid BS going on. Like I would just one day just like to wake up and not see stupid stuff on stream or Twitter. You know what I mean? Today, there are hate raids coming to Twitch from other websites. Like people are actually having Twitch streams pulled up on other streaming platforms and then sending everybody in their chat on the other platform to Twitch to target creators using certain specific tags. That's stupid. If you're part of that group, just come on, use your brain, knock it off, okay? But good news though, okay, everybody, what I'm going to show you today, it doesn't require any kind of third-party tools. Twitch on their streamer dashboard page, they have quite a few good built-in tools that you can take a look at here yourself and enable them, and that will make it a lot harder for bot accounts or trolls to come into your chat, into your channel, into your community, and just give them a lot harder time to make your life hell, okay? So with that being said, let's just kind of jump on in here, shall we? All right, so here's my follower page. So to get to my streamer dashboard, like I have mine actually bookmarked up here, but you want to go ahead and click your profile picture up here, go to creator dashboard. Once this all loads in here, go ahead and click on settings and then click on moderation. Now we're going to take a look at this ban evasion detection here shortly, but for this here, I want you all to scroll all the way down here, okay? And right here where it says channel privileges, you're going to see a subsection here called chat verification. And I went ahead and set mine back to default here, or the Twitch minimum recommendation settings here. But for email verification, they have all chatters, okay? And then for phone verification, it says that have this turned on. If the chatter without a verified phone number, they must have an account older than 1 week, okay? And don't get me wrong, for a vast majority of people, this will probably be enough to keep a vast majority of the trolls out. But just don't take any chances if you don't want to, okay? So go ahead and keep this here set to all chatters and keep this here set to all chatters as well. And personally, you know, like I try to keep my content as clean as possible because I know that there are, in fact, a wide age group that might watch my content here on Twitch. But the way I see it here too, folks, is that if you leave this phone verification on, it will also let you know that people watching you and engaging in your community will also be, let's just say, older, like let's say at least 18. So that way they're like, you know, that they have their own phone number that they verified. You know what I mean? So again, it just keeps the trolls out. And also if you have an 18 plus community, this is another way to sort of kind of, you know, just enforce that a little bit more. So yeah, if you keep both these here set to all chatters, that should clear out a lot of issues right there. And now there's also verification exceptions here, okay? And I always leave mine set to moderators because if you're a moderator of my channel, I trust you a lot, I really do. Same thing for VIPs, and I normally give VIP to people in the community that have been around for a long time. I value their input. They've helped other people in the community as well. So that way there, if I ever change these settings here, my moderators and my VIPs, they won't have to abide by those type of rules, okay? But other than that though, folks, anybody else that comes in, again, especially the new chatters, they'll have to verify everything first here, okay? Now, again, if you scroll up here, folks, this ban evasion detection, now by default, it's set to level 1, but just ignore this here, okay? And take this all the way up to level 2. Now, by default, they actually have likely evaders set to restricted and then possible evaders set to monitoring only. But I actually went ahead and just changed both of these here to restricted. That way there, again, everything is on lockdown. And, you know, you might sit there and say, well, hey, you know what? If you have your account this locked down, some people might not be able to, you know, they might not be able to watch your content or engage in your chat in your community. And, you know, I understand why people would say that. I really, really do. But at the same time, though, as I said a second ago, this is just a really good way to cut down on trolls, cut down on harassment. And again, I know a lot of my fellow streamers on Twitch, they might not necessarily 100% come out and say, hey, like we do a lot of adult-based stuff on this stream, like there's going to be cursing, we're going to be playing games that might have some blood and gore, and I don't want to be held responsible if your kid comes in my channel and sees something that they don't like, or you hear something that I say that you're watching screen. And, like, because unfortunately it actually has been a problem before too. Like I remember back whenever I streamed on Mixer, I actually had somebody's parent make a Twitter account just to DM me on my Twitter saying, hey, I didn't like the words you were using on stream, and my son was on his Xbox watching your stuff. And I had to let them know, well, hey, I have my stream marked as an adult only stream, 18 plus, and they took it upon themselves to bypass that warning to watch my content. So again, this way here, everything is more locked down. You can essentially sort of kind of, curate a community that you want, and you won't just let anybody in that wants to be a part of it. That might sound kind of rude, might sound kind of mean, but hey, your safety, your mental well-being, and more importantly, what you do on your own stream, that is your business, and you make the rules, okay? But everybody, for real though, folks, I love your faces. Stay safe out there, and yeah, I'll catch y'all in the next one.